Hello, everyone. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Welcome to Module 1 for Week 3 of eSchool. As I had already mentioned in class, we are going to change up what the modules look like. And so now when you come in, first of all, the heading will look like this, right? So you will be able to see what module you're on, but it will also be here. And then this will be the topic that we are talking about that day. So today we're going to continue talking about the Holocaust, and we're also going to talk about counterclaims. These counterclaims are things that you have learned about in writing. I think we briefly touched on it in social studies, but we're really going to focus on them today. Okay. Your objective is you're going to understand the main idea of a guided reading by answering 2 multiple choice questions about central idea and create your own claim and counterclaims about our essential question. Our essential question is, why might some people think the Holocaust is the worst event in human history? Meaning, like the worst event that has ever happened in human history. A lot of people make this argument, and some people disagree. And so you are going to create a claim and a counterclaim based on that. As mentioned before, too, every single module is going to have like today's tasks. And you will have here, it's like a checklist for you, right? So Google document finished and turned in, and then the mastery check taken and submitted in Edulastic. You absolutely need to take the mastery check, okay? Vocab for today, and the Holocaust, anti-Semitic, and ghetto. Now, I have put this link here so that you can click on this link, and it will take you to all of the vocab words for the entire week. Okay, my computer's taking a while, but there you go. And so you can go scroll through here once it loads and click on it and see the definition, see it in a sentence, and then also see a visual of it. Okay, it's the same thing. So today we're going to be focusing on the word Holocaust, this word anti-Semitic, and then ghetto. Ghetto is one of our words from last week, and I know we had some questions about what that was. A ghetto is a specific area within a city that is pretty run down that the government sends a group of people to go live in. So in Germany, and then territory that Germany conquered, like Poland and Austria, the Nazis would force Jewish people out of their homes, make them leave, take only like a suitcase, and then make them go live in like this really rundown part of town with like no food, no job, and just kind of like live there, right? After a while, the areas became even more rundown, and there were times when they'd be here for 2 to 3 years. Okay, just some clarification on ghetto. You're due now for the day. You are going to click on this link here, and it's going to be a scene from the movie The Zookeeper's Wife. Now, what I wanted to do was actually play this video for all of us. However, I cannot get the audio to work for you to hear it. So I've also included this right here so you can type it into YouTube on your phone and watch it on your phone. If you are not able to do that, what you need to do is make sure that you stay in class on Monday, and I will play the video as a whole class. Okay, unfortunately, I can't right now because of the program that I'm using to film this, but I will try to work on that. So once you are done watching the video, you're going to go to Google Classroom and you're going to answer this question. Now I'm going to show you how to do that because I know that there is some struggle between staying in the modules and then switching back and forth. So what you're going to do is go to your classroom. When you open your classroom, it automatically goes to stream, and you're going to see all these things here. Don't look at those. That's overwhelming. It's too much, okay? And it's very confusing. It's confusing to me. So what you're going to do instead is go to classwork here, click on week 3. Right now while I'm filming this, is the only thing in here. But in week 3, you're going to see the question that you need to answer, okay? Here are your directions. They're the same as they are on the module. And you are going to enter your answer to this question. Okay, oops, don't look at that, don't look at that. And then you're gonna click on it and give your answer, okay? If you're like, Miss, this is way too much, I can't handle this, it's not working for some reason, what you're going to do is put your answer in here, and I will look at it, and you and I will work separately on figuring out how to make comments and what steps you need to take. Okay? That is it for your do now and for the kind of setting up the lesson. I will continue to have more videos while we talk about counterclaim and then the guided reading that you guys are going to do as well.